Want to turn your everyday smartphone videos into high-quality 3D animations using RADiCAL in 2026? You've probably seen the hype around AI motion capture. But before you dive in, there is something really important you need to know. Today, we're doing a quick reality check on what we actually know about this tool right now. The idea behind RADiCAL at RADiCALmotion.com is incredibly exciting, taking a simple 2D video and letting AI generate a full 3D skeletal animation from it. It sounds like a dream for indie game developers, animators, and creators. But here's the catch. When we went to pull the latest official documentation and user data for this video, we hit a major roadblock. Our system encountered access errors, pointing to restricted server permissions rather than open, easy-to-verify guides. Because we believe in being 100% honest with you, we aren't going to invent fake features, pricing tiers, or step-by-step workflows that we can't verify. Right now, there are no verified user reviews or official feature breakdowns available in our database for this platform. This means we can't confidently tell you how accurate the motion tracking is, how fast the rendering takes, or whether the pricing is worth your hard-earned money. Usually, this is the part of the video where we list the pros and cons. But without real user feedback or hands-on testing data, the biggest con right now is simply the lack of transparent, accessible information. If you do decide to sign up at RADiCALmotion.com, we highly recommend starting with a free trial if they offer one, and avoiding sharing any sensitive data or paying for high-tier plans until you've thoroughly tested the tool yourself. We want to hear from you. Have you successfully used RADiCAL to create 3D animations recently? What was your experience like? Let us know in the comments below so we can build a better picture of how this tool actually performs in the real world. If you found this honest breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more transparent tech reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.